Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your daily energies, Aries, we are picking few cards. For your relationship, we'll be picking few more cards from the other deck, guys. So first, for your daily energies, these are the cards, guys. So for your relationship, we'll be picking more cards from another deck. So these are the cards for your relationship, Aries. And one more card. So we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with your daily energies. It's the Magician in reverse, Tower, and Eight of Pentacles. So with these cards in your situation, Aries, you are making lot of efforts, maybe to see, to reach your dreams and goals. It may be something to do in your career situation. You are using your skills and talents to the maximum, trying your level best, putting in your level best, attentive for each and every detail, patient. You have that perseverance, and you are a very knowledgeable person, and you are implementing your skills and talents, and you are a very practical person, a logical person, logical thinker, and you are putting in tremendous efforts today to see things go in the right way, guys. And I also see that maybe today you are trying to break away from something, maybe your circumstance in your career, whatever is not working for you. So some kind of change is coming towards you. Maybe you may like this change or you may not like this change, but it is there, and it is going to change the way you are emotionally, and it may sometimes give a blow to your ego, but you need to understand that it is just helping you to reveal the truth in your situation. Maybe you had some illusions about certain things, about people or about your circumstance. So this change is going to clear your vision. That is what I see, guys. So maybe the worries or whatever stress you have in your situation, you will be revealed the truth, the reason for these troubles. So let's see. So it may these energies, it may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship, Aries. Strength, Ten of Earth, and Six of Fire. So these are the cards here, guys, for your relationship. So with these cards in your situation today, in this connection, in this love, you feel happy, content to be with this person. You have that understanding, and this person is influencing you in the right way. So they may be the strength behind you, holding you through these troubles, and they are the person holding you up. They have trust and deep faith in you, and they are influencing you in a very positive way, guys, making you step into that limelight. So they are helping you out today, and you have that you are dedicated to them, devoted to this love, devoted to this person, and you are getting that comfort from this person, from that love they have on you, and you are having that strength and determination in your heart, endurance to go the distance. So, whatever your situation is, this person is influencing you, and you both, maybe you may have your own differences, maybe there may be some misunderstandings, but whatever the situation is, you are putting in your level best, trying your best to find that understanding, having that endurance in your heart. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.